Hey everyone, so today we're going to look at linear sequences, and to get started we're going to look at sequences and patterns. So let's jump straight into an example. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So we're asked to find out how many matchsticks will there be in the fifth picture. So we're given the first, we're given the second, we're given the third. So the first thing we need to see what is happening here. So if you notice, to get from there to there, we're adding on 1, 2, 3 extra matchsticks. Okay, so we're adding 3, and likewise for the third one, we're adding on another 3. So at each stage, we're adding on another 3. So what can help here is we'll do a little table for ourselves. Okay, so picture number of matches. Okay, so the first one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one, you can count them if you want, but we know we added on 3. So the second picture, we've got 7. Third picture, we've got 10. And then the fourth, we need to add on another 3 again, so we get 13. And then the fifth, we get 16. So there are 16 in the fifth picture, okay? So pause the video, have a go with the next one, have a go with one yourselves, and then we will go through it together. Okay, so for this one, in the first picture, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matchsticks. So there's 5 in that one. And then each other one, each next picture, we're adding on 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're adding 4 each time, okay? So in the first one, we've got 5. Add 4, we get 9. Add another 4, we get 13. Add another 4, 17. Add another 4, 21. And then finally 25. So there are 25 matchsticks in picture number 6. Great. Okay, so go to Heggerty Maths now and complete the clip 196, which is on linear sequences from pictures. And then once you're finished that, come back. So you can pause this video now, come back, and then we'll go for the second part of the lesson. Okay. Okay, so the next task that you're going to do is based on term-to-term rules, so recognizing what we're doing to get from one term to the next. So first things first, have a look at this example. So we've got -5, -2, 1, 4, and 7. It's a linear sequence. So what is the third term? So basically, when you're asked, you might be asked in your task to give the first term, the fourth term, and the fifth term. It's basically just, that's the first, that's the second, so my third is 1. Okay, so what is the term-to-term rule? So what are we doing to get from one to the next? So we're adding on 3, so we're adding 3, adding 3. So for each one, we're adding on 3. So term-to-term rule, add 3. Okay, so part 3 then, we're asked to, what is the next term in the sequence? So we know that we're adding on 3, so the next term in the sequence is going to be 10, so it's going to be 10. Okay, so again, have a go at the next one, pause the video, have a go, and then we will go through it together. Okay, so for part 1, third term along is 23. What is the term-to-term rule this time? We're not adding this time, we're actually going down, so it's subtracting 2 at each stage, -2. So the term-to-term rule is subtract 2. Okay, what is the next term in the sequence? So for subtracting 2, 19 take away 2, we're going to get 17. That's going to keep going, so next term is 17. Great. Okay, so next thing you're going to do is complete Heggerty Maths clip 197 on linear sequences term-to-term rule.